Welcome everybody to the fall detector application for Android phones. This application can be used to detect if you have been fallen, and it can be used in a situation when you are working in heights or if you have difficulty in walking and there is a chance that you may fall down when you are walking alone. Some of the functions of these applications are: detect whether a fall have occurred, check whether the fall is a real fall by gathering the accelerometer values for 30 seconds, and the third one is check whether the fall is true by alerting the user, that's through the ringtone. And if the user is not responding within a time period that's set in the app, then an SMS alert will be sent to the person, which can also be selected in the app's setting option. Now we are in the main screen of the application, and from here we have three options: README, Settings and Test a Fall. The README button will give you a brief idea about how the app works, and the Settings button that will redirect you to a section or another screen that is an important portion of this app, and this portion can be used to configure the application before we start using it or testing it. And the third button is Test a Fall, and this button can be used to simulate or to see how the system responds. Now we are redirecting to the settings screen by either clicking the settings button or the menu button on the top right corner. Here I am going to click on the top right corner menu button, and we are now in the settings screen. The settings screen, we have three options. First option is a phone number to which an emergency SMS can be sent if a fall is confirmed. By clicking the button, it will automatically open the contact, and we can select any of the contact from that. I have already selected a phone number. Otherwise, if you are using the app first time or want to change the contact number, then you can use it. Select ringtone. This option can be used to select a ringtone that will be played as an alert to see if you have been fall down. So if I am clicking this ringtone button, we can see all the ringtones available in your phone. You can select any of them, and we can just hear it and select OK. And the third one is a response mode. There are three values for this option, and they specify the time delay needed to send an automatic SMS to the number you have given once a fall is detected. If you need the SMS to be sent very soon, you can specify the mode as 1 minute, that is high, otherwise low or medium. So I am selecting just the medium and saving the settings. Now we can see how the application will behave if a fall is detected. We can simulate the behavior by either clicking the Test a Fall button or by simulating a real fall. So here I am going to simulate a real fall. So the system basically checks the fall detection by using three steps. In the first step, the app will detect whether a fall is happened. Then at the second step, it will detect the values for the 30 seconds for the acceleration due to gravity. And as the third step, it will prompt the user to detect whether a fall is happened or the user is in unconscious way. So I'm just going to simulate a real fall by just throwing the phone up and down or just by shaking. So here, now the system is in test mode. That is, the application is testing for a fall for the next 30 seconds, and during this time the application is comparing the acceleration due to gravity to a particular value. Basically it should be a constant value, means the phone have already fell down. So after this 30 seconds, there are two options. Either it will be found that a fall has happened or not happened. If it is happened, then if the fall is happened, then it will go to the next stage, and we are now this stage.
A fall have been detected. Please cancel the SMS alert if you are okay.
Our application have detected that a fall happened, so it already prompted the user with the ringtone and a voice message. With the help of this ringtone and voice message, the user may be able to identify that something happened. If he is in unconscious way, he cannot do anything, but if he is conscious, then he can cancel the SMS alert in the timer button below. If he is cancelling the button, then the application will be behaving the normal way, and it will be computing the values or doing the process the same way. Otherwise, it will send an SMS to the number we already provided. during the settings screen demonstration. I will show the SMS that have been sent from this application after 1 minute, and this is the overall working of this app. The response time is finished and an SMS will be sent to the emergency contact number with my geographical location, and it can be seen from the sent mail section. Also, during the third stage of the fall alert, if any call comes from the emergency contact number we had given, then it will be redirected to the speaker mode. So now I will show you the sent SMS from the phone, and that will be having the geographical location of me. So you can see the URL from the Google Maps along with the geographical location. So these all are the features of this fall detection app, and the entire code and details of how it's made can be found from my GitHub page, and you can download this app in Google Play Store. The links for GitHub and the Play Store is provided in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.